3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, lucky
you
cheated.
Oh, one hit each, 1 point each, 1 point each.
1 point each.
That was 1 point each, both heal, both heal.
Feed?
There's
Wait,
horse feed in my
why is
horse
there
and there's
arrows
horse feed
coming?
in the other horse, so...
Oh, it's a fucking
Just
car.
jump out and...
There's a terrorist attack, terrorist
Yeah,
attack,
there you go.
active
Just
shooter.
got it.
I need
Nice.
horse
Good job, Jet.
Does anybody have
Also, when you're
horse feed?
feeding, make sure you have the
I'm
shield
looking.
away because you end up
Negative.
with sometimes swinging. Yeah, we
I
can
hear
hear
you.
it. All clear. All clear now.
I'm not
Alright,
Mike, I'm
so
clear.
for the ancient side we have Campbell, and then on the remnant side we have Hot Mike. I want this to be a fair fight, no nut shots, no beheading each other and putting each other on the pikes on the edge. I want it to be a clean fight. On the count of 0, you guys will go towards each other. Please don't stab me in the back as I'm trying to run out of the ring. Alright, 3, 2, 1, 0, fight.
Let's go, Hot Mike, you got this,
Go,
baby.
go, 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 go! Good money, got this, baby. Come on.
Money on you, you better not die, boy.
Down on this bitch.
Watch that shield stand, get his shield stand down, you know how to do it. Just watch that flank, yep, get his shield stand down. Beautiful, get that shield stand down. Break his shield.
You gotta hit, you gotta hit.
Break that shield!
Let's go. Let's go. He's done. My shield ain't
Yeah, do it, do it!
Hot Mike, hold.
What? Mike, I'll be at. My shield is. No, I'm done.
Run out of stamina, Hot Mike, you got it.
Hard. Hard yourself up. Hard yourself up.
Get him.
We want blood.
Yeah. Don't move.
Bro, my shield does not want to work.
Let's go. Tap towards them. Tap towards them. Tap towards them. Swing.
Get close, get close.
Watch out for the left. Right.
That's
Alright, guys, failed.
Nice. One more.
That's it. Keep pushing
Let's go. Excellent work, boys. Excellent.
That's where he belongs, in the fucking
Another
dirt.
win for the ancients. Looks like we're going back and forth with this pretty
Okay, guys. You love
balanced.
to see.
Is everybody ready to go?
Empires. On the count of Anvil Empires. 1, 2.
Shields on me, shields on me. Shields on me.
This is Anvil Empires.
Forward.
That's free.
Stay as a wall.
Oh my god. They got flasks.
Shield wall.
As a wall.
Why are we breaking
As
flags?
a wall.
As a wall.
Don't split.
One as a unit.
Group defend.
Watch that right flank. Watch that right flank.
Get the right in.
Don't let it get the numbers advantage.
Damn.
Better give me the back.
Hey, CDC, Aaron, fuck off.
That was horrible.
Left flank, left flank. Help family, come on, fellas.
Remnants are really getting surrounded here. They might hold out though.
Make a circle, make a circle, make a circle. Circle. Perimeter
My God, it's
wall.
getting really close here.
Push.
That tight circle might have saved the remnants here in
Freeze,
this
stop
fight.
getting
It's
in there,
getting
bro.
really close.
Don't cheat.
Ancients may have to get together here.
Flank them, boys, flank them! Oh my god, it's still going on.
Hold position. Hold position.
Let Kevin make his final stand.
I think that was it there. It looks like the remnants won the major fight. We do have 1 or 2 survivors here, but they're not going to last. Oh, there they go.
Chase them down with
So, please pick up your kits. Everyone pick up your kits, get your gear, food, anything like that. If anyone dropped your car keys or contacts, please pick those up as well.
Have you seen my
Right.
And